In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add golden hour light in Photoshop. We'll build a warm cinematic look using adjustment layers so everything stays flexible and easy to tweak. Open Photoshop, head to File, then Open and choose the photo you'd like to enhance. Once it's on your canvas, take a second to confirm your image mode is RGB for the most natural color shifts. In the Layers panel, unlock your background by clicking the lock icon, then duplicate it with Ctrl+J on Windows or CMD+J on a Mac. Working on a duplicate keeps your original intact and lets you compare changes at any time. Next, let's add gentle vibrancy. Click the adjustment layer icon and choose hue saturation. Nudge the saturation slider up a little to enrich colors without pushing them into neon territory. Keep an eye on skin tones and neutral areas like clouds, pavement, or white clothing. If they start to look artificial, pull the slider back or reduce this layer's opacity. To infuse warmth, add another adjustment layer and pick Photo Filter. Choose a warming filter and slowly increase the density until you see a soft golden orange glow. The goal is a believable warmth, not an orange wash. If the midtones darken too much, enable preserve luminosity so the warmth affects color more than brightness. Now brighten with a curves adjustment layer. Click near the center of the curve and gently lift it to open up the midtones, mimicking the soft, low-angle light of golden hour. If highlights get crunchy, slightly lower the top right portion of the curve to keep detail. Small moves go a long way here. To deepen the golden feel, add a color balance adjustment layer. In the midtones, move the cyan red slider a touch toward red and the yellow blue slider a touch toward yellow. Keep these adjustments subtle to preserve natural skin and fabric tones. If anything shifts too far, back off with the sliders or reduce the layer's opacity. Add a brightness/contrast adjustment layer to bring depth and shape. Increase contrast to give the image dimension while keeping the overall mood soft. Fine-tune brightness alongside contrast so shadows retain texture and highlights don't blow out. Finally, review and refine. Toggle the eye icons on your adjustment layers to compare before and after. Then fine-tune each layer until the image feels warm, balanced, and naturally sunlit. That's it. Your photo now carries that classic golden hour glow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more.